How to make any product bottle transparent using Gemini AI. Here is the original fillet bottle. Go to the Gemini AI. Upload your image. Type this prompt. Make only the bottle transparent. Keep the label, cap, and the background. Select Pro. Now hit Submit. As you can see, the bottle is now transparent, clean, professional, and ready for design or mock-up. Thanks for watching. Follow for more AI design magic.